This video is for writing. We're going to practice writing this week. We're going to start off slow today. I'm just going to talk to you very quickly. I'm going to show you a couple of visual examples in Google Classroom. It's going to be eVisual 1.23. You'll see that one. And then you're also going to see eVisual 1.24. Those will be uploaded to the assignment. So make sure you upload those and look at those while I'm talking. Obviously, 1.23 is going to be the first one that I'm going to have you look at. This is called narrowing a topic when you're writing. And tomorrow I'm going to give you I'll leave you in suspense. Let me talk about narrowing a topic first when you're writing something. Choosing and narrowing a topic is the first step in planning a research project, research report, I should say. The first thing you have to do is consider the length of the report. You have to consider the audience, and you have to consider the purpose. You have to consider all of those things. I mean, how long is this supposed to be? Who's going to read it? And what's the point? Why do I want people to read this thing? And so you look at the eVisual example 1.23, and we look at that topic triangle. It's kind of like an upside down pyramid. And you'll notice at the very top of that pyramid is a broad topic, traditional clothing. Okay? And then as we go down that upside down pyramid, you'll notice that we shrink it down to a narrower topic. So, okay, we're talking about traditional clothing. Great. Now we're talking about traditional clothing in India. Okay, we've narrowed it down to the country of India. What about traditional clothing in India? Narrow that down even further until we get to sari, with sari, S-A-R-E, not S-O-R-R-Y, sari, S-A-R-E, which is a type of dress in India. So that is a topic triangle. That's how you narrow down, going from a very broad topic to a very narrow topic. And that helps you in the writing process because it gives you the opportunity to think more specifically about the information, and you can target just that narrow topic so that your paper's not all over the place. And talking about one thing over here and another thing over there, you can stay very focused on that one narrow topic. So the writer, for example, is planning a history report. The purpose is to discuss a piece of traditional clothing from another culture. And at first the topic was too broad, just traditional clothing. And so this particular student narrowed it down by country and then a specific article of clothing. And then once you do that, you can organize yourself in a nice little chart. And eVisual 1.24 can help you with that. Take a look at that one at this point. If you have to pause the video and bring it up, fine, by all means, pause the video. In eVisual 1.24, you'll notice that it has the research questions planning chart. So you have a topic, an Indian sari. You have a main question, why do Indian women wear saris? You have a specific question, what are saris and how are saris worn? So notice how we spend a lot of time coming up with charts. I really need you to get comfortable making these charts in your Google Docs when you upload them to the assignment. And yes, I need you to upload this, create a chart. We're not talking about saris, but what we will be doing tomorrow is I'm going to have partners brainstorm a sports-related topic that you could narrow and research and write about. And then you'll explain that report. I'm sorry, the report shouldn't be any longer than 3 paragraphs. It'll be due on Friday. And should be written for the benefit of young students who might also be interested in the topic. And so think about that. Sports, working with a partner. How do you narrow that down to a more specific topic based on what we just talked about here? So I don't need you to do that yet. We'll be doing that until tomorrow. But be thinking about that. Sports. Okay? If you are desperately interested in talking and writing about some other type of a subject, send me an email, please, and ask me what it is you might be more interested in. I do want you to be writing about something you're interested in, but there are all kinds of different sports out there. There's golf, horseback riding, high LI. There's football, baseball, not just the traditional sports. There's all kinds of things. The pentathlon, the Olympics, anything.